How to delete marketplace messages all at once. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the chats page. Now here you're going to find the option of marketplace. Click on that. You'll be directed to marketplace page where you're going to find all of your messages of the marketplace. Now here you'll find only messages, but you won't find the option to select all the messages at once and delete it. Unfortunately, right now I cannot delete marketplace messages all at once. So what I have to do is delete each messages manually in this way. Press and hold on the message, click on the option of delete, click on delete. Do the same for all the conversations. In the case you have tons of marketplace messages, what you can do is you can report to the Facebook support team. For that, click on three bars given at the top left corner. Navigate to the settings icon. Scroll all the way down. Navigate to the option report a problem. Click on report anyway. Click on don't include. Now here you have to briefly explain about the issue that you have tons of marketplace messages and you want to get rid of all those at once, and then you can send it. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.